Hello everyone, my name is Laura Rico. This is my collage and I'm going to explain each image and how they are connected with the political system in my country, type of films, books I like, and my professional career. First, Colombia has a presidential representative democratic republic. The president is elected for a 4-year term, but currently can be re-elected for one consecutive term. Nowadays, Colombia is a multi-party system with four main parties: major parties, other parties, minor parties, and defunct parties. Some of them are Social Party of Nation Unity, Colombian Liberal Party, Colombian Conservative Party, Mira Movement, Radical Change Party, Indigenous Social Alliance, Afro-Colombian Social Alliance, Colombian Green Party, Citizen Option Party, Alternative Democratic Pole, among others. On the other hand, I like romantic and fantasy books, more than all those who inspire great cinema movies or TV or Netflix series. Love stories like Me Before You, The Fault in Our Stars, If I Stay, Where She Went, or fantasy stories like Harry Potter, Game of Thrones, The Maze Runner, Divergent Saga, and The Lord of the Rings. I am a very sensitive and creative person, and when I read these books and I see these movies, I feel emotional, happy or sad, and I imagine other worlds or situations that in real life maybe can't be possible. Finally, I studied industrial engineering at UNET, and on December of this year I am going to graduate. At first, I didn't know what to study. Nevertheless, my first boss helped me choose my career. I'm good at process optimization and process administration, and I want to find a job in human resources because I am very interested and passionate in helping people.